Alright, what is going on YouTube? Tom here. Currently today is Sunday. So yesterday I decided to go to 2 Cars and Coffee events with my girlfriend. However, for the first event I forgot to film an intro. Dashcam going off in the car here. I usually don't do this sort of the discontinuous intro thing, so anyway, hope you all enjoy these videos. Got one coming now at you all when you see this, and stay tuned because I got another one coming Wednesday that's of the second event, so definitely stay tuned for that because I'm pretty excited for that. Otherwise it would have been a 20-30 minute long video and really want to do that. So basically my girlfriend wants to learn more about cars. She wants to get into a lot of it. Problem is she doesn't know what she's looking at a lot of the time. She knows a lot of the classics. She'll know cars that she's either owned or someone close to her has owned. So the intro of the video is actually us trying to go over different car logos. Basically, I'm trying to get her into cars first by letting her know different logos. But anyway, hope you all enjoy these videos. A lot of fun making them. If you haven't already, I'm going to of course put my Instagram down below. Let you all check that out. Because I did take a lot of pictures. In fact, it was kind of difficult to make the cut for the ones that I ended up putting in Instagram. But anyway, hope you all enjoy these videos because there was a lot of cars in both events. It was a great day for Cars and Coffee.
They do their packaging.
Alright, had our coffee. Sun is finally up. Aren't you having fun?
Mm-hmm. Everyone's leaving to go get breakfast, though.
Yeah, I know, it's breakfast time. So, this is what I'm doing here, because she doesn't know anything really about cars. I'm quizzing her on logos.
Oh, you're going to put me on the spot now? That's not fair.
Nope.
We didn't go over this one.
Yeah, we did. What is this logo?
I don't like being put on the spot. I don't
Oh,
know.
no, you know it.
No, I don't.
It's a Cadillac.
But the thing he's missing, that makes it colorful, so that's not fair.
Okay, fine. We'll do this one then.
It's a Chevy.
Chevy? Okay.
It's a Silverado.
She knows that. Well, I thought that's your dream truck.
It was my dream truck.
Was?
That's a Subaru. It's got the stars.
See, she knows them. Making sure she knows all of these logos. Yeah, overall, it's a pretty good turnout. If everyone wasn't already leaving, that would be great. But trying to get some pictures of cars here. Probably gonna classic.
Her hair is going forward.
She definitely loves classic cars, so I'm gonna try to get some like cinematic shots of it. So checking back with you all in a little bit. I guess he wants to be in the video here. We got... I was gonna end it there, but getting that, some people still want to be in it. Now, last minute one's in the video here, but... Yeah, we're getting ready to head out. I think we're gonna go get some breakfast here. Panamera Turbo. Yeah, they're gonna keep coming here. It's like... That's the problem, is like... People start leaving. It's like you gotta eat early and then people leave later, so... I'm telling you, people don't want me to end this, do they? Yes, now we're about to go to another Cars and Coffee, but we're gonna make that a separate video, otherwise this one would be too long. Someone needs their second cup of coffee. You tired?
A little bit.
Just a little bit. Yeah, we're about to head out, go get some breakfast. But anyway, all the pictures I took, oh, that's M1. So I'm saying, it's why I love living in Tampa. We got some very rare and exciting cars that come out to these events. But yeah, check it out on Instagram if you want to see pictures of that. And I'll put it up on screen here, and I'm gonna have the link down below. But anyway, be on the lookout for part 2, the second Cars and Coffee of the day, Shelby convertible. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below what car is your favorite, because for sure we got a lot of nice cars out here. Anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you're stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. You are not going to want to miss part 2, because a lot of people here are going to be leaving to go to the second Cars and Coffee. So anyway, hope to see you all there in this second video.